Peace, y'all. It's Danielle from Let's Talk Food, and I'm about to show you how to make this creamy hemp seed dill dressing. I call it the Green God salad dressing. We have about a half a cup of dill here. I would say a heaping half a cup to a full cup. You can also use cilantro or parsley, whatever green potent herbs you have. And then we have 2 to 3 dates for this recipe. Then we have 5 to 7 cloves of garlic, a half a cup of plant milk. I have coconut milk here. Half a cup of hemp seeds for those omega-3s. Yes, and it's actually a great source of plant protein. Then we have a half of a cup of olive oil. I love adding olive oil to my salad dressings because they just are a great emulsifier. Yeah. And then we have 1 full lemon. You can also use an orange. 1 orange, the juice of an orange in this recipe. An optional ingredient would be a tablespoon of tahini. It is not necessary, but I like the flavor that it brings. And of course, some cracked black pepper and pink Himalayan salt to taste. All we need to do for this recipe is bring all of these ingredients into the blender and blend it until smooth. Yes, easy. Yes, I love dressings with hemp seeds. Yes, lemon juice. Pink salt. We're about to blend these wonderful ingredients until it is smooth for our Green God creamy hemp seed and dill dressing. The aromas alone have me charged. Oh my gosh. Our creamy green hemp seed. Oh my gosh. Goddess dressing is complete. You can add this to a plant-based coleslaw. You can add this to a salad. We are about to add it to our rainbow body activation salad, and that is going to be so yummy. Oh my, oh my. Yup. Whew. This is it right here. This is it right here. Yup. Exactly. Whoo! Whoo! Yup. Shout out to these rubber flat spatulas that be making sure that we get every drop, honey. Yo, it smells so potent. Yes.
Electrifying.
Truly electrifying. Truly. Yep.